This video demonstrates adding and modifying predefined URR, with auto-calculated URR displayed in the lab summary. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. First, log in as a system tenant. Then, go to Tenant Management. Go to Lab Console. Click on Category and select Dialysis Adequacy. Click the edit icon for post-urea, select Yes to include the parameter for URR calculation, and choose the test name that matches the one you are editing. Remember to save the changes after editing. Then, repeat the steps for pre-urea and URR. Log in with Nurse Access. Then, go to Lab Order. Click on Result Pending. Select the lab test you wish to edit. Click on the three dots and select Enter Result. Enter the pre- and post-urea parameters, and the auto-calculated URR will be displayed. You can also modify the auto-calculated URR. Remember to click on Save after editing. Thank you for watching.